Before we start, check the video description for troubleshooting and safety tips. If you've never tapped before, I suggest watching the tapping points video first. If you know this sadness is rooted in trauma, don't go at it alone. Reach out for support. You can contact me at my website or my email, which is in the description. Before we begin, let's rate your sadness. Say out loud, "I feel really sad," and see where you feel that in your body. And let's rate it 0 to 10. So 0 would be the least amount possible, and 10 would be the most amount possible. Now you can remember that number, or I suggest writing it down. We're going to start tapping on the side of the hand, and then you can just repeat after me. Even though I feel really sad, I accept this is how I feel. Even though it feels really heavy, I accept that it's here. And even though I don't want to feel like this, I accept myself anyway. Now we're going to go through the tapping points. We'll start at the top of the head and work our way down. So top of the head, this heavy sadness. Eyebrow point, this sadness. Side of the eye, this heavy sadness. Under the eye, I feel so sad. Under the nose, I feel so sad today. On the chin, this sadness is like a heavy cloud. It's just hanging over me. On the collarbone, I've been carrying all of this sadness. We're going to go under the arm. All of this sadness. We're going to go back to the side of the hand. Even though I still feel sad, maybe I don't have to feel all of it. And even though the sadness is still here, maybe I can let a little go. And even though I'm used to feeling this, maybe that can start to change. Okay, we're going to go to the top of the head. I still feel sad. Eyebrow point, but maybe not as much. Side of the eye. Maybe I don't need to carry all of it. We're going to go under the eye. Maybe it's safe to let some of this sadness go. Under the nose. I don't want to stay sad forever. On the chin, I'm open to feeling less sad. Okay, we're going to go to the collarbone. I'm open to feeling better. And then under the arm, I'm open to feeling less sad. Okay, we're going to go back to the side of the hand. And even though this sadness has been with me for a while, I choose to feel something different now. And even though this has been really heavy, I'm ready to feel lighter. And even though I have felt sad, I'm choosing peace. Okay, we're going to the top of the head. I choose to feel lighter. Eyebrow point. I'm letting some of this go. Side of the eye. I have felt it, and I'm letting some of it go. Under the eye. I'm ready to feel calm. Under the nose. I can still be me without this sadness. On the chin. I'm safe to feel peace. Collarbone. I choose to feel peace now. Under the arm. I am safe and I am healing. All right, let's take a deep breath. The hand over the heart is not required, but I always do it. Now we're going to rate that sadness again. So say to yourself, I feel sad, and see what you feel. And let's rate it 0 to 10 again, 0 being the least amount and 10 being the most, and see if that number came down. If that number didn't move much, that's okay. Just know that you are teaching your body to regulate and feel safe. You can go back and do that entire tapping session again, and you can keep doing it until you get down to a 1 or a 0. If you know that something is coming up that's different, like say another emotion is coming up like anger, you could go to another video that is around anger and do that tapping video.